Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the great deals going on at your local Lowe's. So, let's dive in. So, we're going to get it started here with some Cobalt deals. We can see some of these have been knocked down a little bit. A lot of these are $50 off. Cobalt is a great brand and will do a great job. This is Lowe's brand. And we also have some Bosch socket sets here on sale. Then we get into a few different options here. You get to select one of these tools for free when you buy one of these setups here. So $1.99 plus one free tool, or $2.99 plus two free tools. Then Craftsman Days is going on as well. So we got some of the same options here. Get some deals on some of these. So if you're interested, again, some great options on these. And then we even have the Cobalt going in as well. So you get a free tool when you buy one of these kits. So again, a lot of great onboarding for these brands, so if you're interested, you can grab those. You also get some options right here from Cobalt, so if you want to grab some of these options, you can definitely do that. And then we have some more Father's Day deals as well. So pretty good options on a lot of these here. Then we got some more DeWalt options here. We got some of these toolkits we've seen. Pretty good prices on a lot of these. And then also another Craftsman one as well. Again, you get the free Craftsman brushless tool here with the purchase of the starter kit. Then we see a few more Cobalt options here, and just to let you guys know, Father's Day is coming up in the next week or so, so you want to go ahead and start looking at some of these deals and maybe even grabbing yourself some, or grabbing some guy out there, whatever they might need. Got some tools and other options for sale at Lowe's, so there are a lot of great deals in the Father's Day sale, so we're going to check a lot of these out today. But we see we got some more Cobalt options here. Got some drill bits and a few other tools here, marked down to 20 bucks. Pretty good price for a lot of these. Always great to have a lot of these drill bits. You never know where you're going to need some of these for different projects around the house. Then we even have some flex tools. We got a free starter kit when you buy one of these select tools. So I know we have a lot of die-hard flex fans. You got some options here. You can get some good tools. Then we even have some DeWalt tool bags here. We've got some options and some clearance on a lot of these. So if you're interested in some bags, you can definitely grab some of these and save you a little bit of money here in the DeWalt brand. Then we also have some of their larger tool bags as well. So it just kind of depends on what you might be interested in, but we have some options here on a lot of these. We can see some of these actually have been picked over, but there's still a lot of great options, especially in the DeWalt here, and even in a few other brands as well. Then we see this little fun Craftsman small tool chest. So you might need one of these. You're going to be working with some tools. This is always a great thing to carry and just have around your house. And then with a few more Craftsman items on some of these reduced prices. Craftsman is also a great brand, does a lot of great stuff and has all kind of deals. And so you'll see Craftsman deals going on all the time on Craftsman Days and other things spread throughout the store. We also have the buy more, save more deals going on right here with Craftsman. So if you're interested, you can buy more and save a little bit of money on these. Then some deals on some tough built PVC saw here. Save a little bit of money. Get you some good deals on this. Again, Tough Built's a solid brand. It's going to do a good job for you. Then we have a few more options here. We have this jab saw. $7, Cobalt. Again, solid deal there. Then we even have a few more options here in the Cobalt pliers. It's always a great thing to grab some of these. I just used some pliers very similar to this last night working on a project with my washing machine. So you always need a few of these around, just similar to like a channel lock or a similar plier here. Then we even see some more options with some needle nose pliers here for Craftsman. Again, 15 bucks, pretty good price because these are going to last you a pretty good while. They're going to do a good job for you. Then we also see a few more Craftsman deals. See some adjustable wrenches. Good prices on these. Always need adjustable wrenches. One of the mainstays, I would say, of the DIYer, making sure you have some of those. Then we even see a few different vice grip options here, multiple different pliers and other sets going on. Then we see a few more other Craftsman deals. Again, these can go with some of the buy more, save more options. And then we see a few more Cobalt options here for more reduced prices. Then we also see the Cobalt 50-piece set here. Need one of these. Again, solid brand for that, so going to do a good job. We also have the Cobalt 20-piece ratcheting wrench set. Pretty fun for those, being able to use those for getting in some hard to reach spaces and being able to ratchet those down. Then we see this Porter Cable 6-inch single speed bench grinder. So if you need one of these, this is a great option for you here. 71 bucks, really good price on that. So if you're interested, definitely an option for you here. Then we see some Craftsman tool bits here. Always great again to keep some of these around. 11 bucks, pretty good price for these. Then we also have a few more Craftsman tools. We can see some of these drills here on sale for $111. So again, if you're in the Craftsman brand, this is a great option for you. Craftsman's also going to do a solid job for you. So we have had multiple of these and they have worked really well for us. And then we also see a few more options here. Again, pretty good prices on these. And we also see the option here, you get a 2-pack 20-volt max starter kit. Then you get to grab one of these select tools for free. So that's a great option for you there, especially getting into a brand. Craftsman going to do a good job for you, and they have a lot of great options here at Lowe's. You can see a bunch of options right here. Some of these are on clearance and some of these are on sale, but then they just have a lot of different options. So if Craftsman is one that you're interested in, this is definitely a great one to get you started with. Then we also find a few DeWalt items for more reduced pricing here. 99 bucks on some of these extensions. So if you might need one of these to get some projects done around the house, this is definitely a great idea to grab one. Then we also see some Skill items on sale as well. You guys know I enjoy Skill. They're a great brand and their batteries on a clearance here. So if you want to grab one of these, that is a really good price for those. Then we found a few more options here for Cobalt. We got the cordless heat gun, 59 bucks, good price on that. Always need a heat gun for random projects you're doing around the house. Then we also have the Cobalt brushless option here for 80 bucks. Great price on that. Get you started in the Cobalt brand. Then we even have the variable speed brushless 1/2 inch drive cordless impact wrench for 200 bucks. Then we see a few different Bosch items. I know a lot of you guys like the Bosch items here. Got some of the small blades and a few of the larger ones as well. Bosch again is a solid brand. They're going to do a great job for you. They usually have a lot of their laser levels on sale, so you can always check those. We have a few more Craftsman deals for sale. Have some of these hole saws here, 35 bucks. So if you're going to need to be drilling some holes and making some spots for things, this is a great option for you. And then we even have some of the recip saw blades here as well. Then we see a few more DeWalt items on reduced pricing and even some sales as well. These are some Extreme Subcompact series. We can see some pretty good options right here. This ratchet is on sale for $143. Then we have a couple other items for reduced prices. So if you want to grab some of those, you can definitely grab some. Save you a little bit of money here. Again, if you guys know, DeWalt's a great brand. They're going to do a really good job. We also have a few more DeWalt drill bits and options on here. Some of these extenders, which are really nice, especially if you're putting together some woodworking stuff. It's always great to have some of those. And then also some of the regular drill bits as well. Then we see a limited time buy here for DeWalt. We have the 21 pack of oscillating tool blades for 39 bucks. And then a few other blades here for DeWalt. We got some of the circular saw blades and then also a few other smaller drill bit sets. Pretty good prices on these. And we got some other options here for DeWalt. Got some of these new and reduced prices. And then we also have the 4-tool combo kit here for $319. Pretty good options there for different sets and different tools you got going on. So great deals on a lot of these items. So a lot of great ones. You can kind of get you started here. But we also see a few more Bosch items that were decreased in price. So again, if you're a die-hard Bosch fan, you can grab some of these, save you a little bit of money, and get some great tools. Bosch has been around for a long time, and they're going to do a great job for you. The Craftsman Mechanics tool set on sale here for 99 bucks. It's a great price for that item right there. So if you're interested in a Mechanics tool set, definitely pick that up. Save you a little bit of money. Then we also have the 71-piece ratcheting tool set here for 49 bucks. Again, always great to have some of these because you're going to need them in all different types of projects. Then we even have a little bit smaller option here for Craftsman. Again, a great thing to keep in your truck or just in your pack at all times. Then we also have this reduced price as well. Pretty good price there, down to $130. So again, in the Craftsman brand, good option for you there. And we got some good deals right here on a few just random tool options. Then we see a few random deals kind of spaced throughout here in this Craftsman section. See some of these ratchets on sale you can grab. Some of these, pretty good prices on some of these. And then also a few other just wrench sets as well. So pretty good deals going on right here with Craftsman. Again, they're going to do a great job for you and they're going to last a long time. Here's another great shot at a tool bag. So if you don't have one, this is a great one to start off with. And then we see a few more Craftsman options here. Just kind of deals going all throughout. I just had a bunch of deals just kind of spattered all throughout Craftsman and other items as well. So we see a bunch of random deals here and some of these extenders. So if you need some of these, you can definitely get in and save money on specific ones, but still different ones, and save you a little bit of money while you're there. Then we even see some organizers as well. Some of these on sale. Pretty good prices on these, especially if you have the Craftsman options. This will look really good. Go in well and blend in well with all your setup there. Then we even have a few more plastic trays here. So if you need some of these, 22 bucks, save you about 6 or 7 bucks on that. Then we have the Craftsman pancake option here for 75 bucks. Pretty good price for that option there. Then we even have some reduced prices on other ones around here as well. So depends on what you might be looking for, but there's a bunch of different options on these. Again, some of these are reduced and some of these actually are on sale. See right here, another new lower price for this shop vac, wet dry vac here. You can check that out, save you a little bit of money. Great Father's Day present right there. Little giant ladder here for 49 bucks. Super easy able to move. A few other ladders and step stools as well. These are great. Going to help you get some projects done, and it's going to be pretty light. And then some zip ties. Always great to grab some of these zip ties. Also had a lot of their nails on sale. So if you need to grab some of these for just projects or even for work, a lot of these are on sale. You can grab some good deals here. Then we even have some drain clog dissolver on clearance here for 10 bucks. Few other clearance items. Again, we can see some water pads and different things right here. Pretty good prices on these and clearance items. We also have some wire twists. Always a great thing to have in your pack. And then another great thing to always keep at your house is for fire safety. Great to have some of these fire extinguishers. Then also some smoke alarms here for 34 bucks. Pretty good price on that. And then even some carbon monoxide alarms as well. Then we see some flexible garden hoses here. Great thing to use, especially if you need just a little bit and you're able to just pack it back up and put it in your garage or something like that. Then we also have the Craftsman combo kit here for 99 bucks. A great price for that. Then we also get to some grills. This is the Master Forge barrel charcoal grill. Pretty good price on that one. Then we've seen this grill on sale a couple times here at Lowe's. This is a pretty good price for this with the Weber here. Weber's a great brand. It's going to do a good job for you. But if you need the Spirit, this is a great price for that. Then we even could grab a cover for those. But we see a few other deals right here on some more Weber options. Again, Weber grills are going to do a great job for you. So if you're interested, you can definitely grab some of these and save you a little bit of money here. But also get out there, have some fun, grill, and enjoy the outdoors, and also make some food for your family. Then we see some nice lighting for the backyard, 29 bucks. Then we even have some different string lights here. Some good prices on these. You can grab some of these, make your backyard look great. Then we have the Blackstone. We have some great options for the Blackstone. You can actually grab some of these free tools once you purchase one of these. Down a little bit in price, and you get the deal as well, so that's really nice. Then we even have some Toro options here for different type of lawnmowers. So if you need some lawnmowers, there are some great ones going on right now. Again, getting later into the summer, you will have some more of these deals kind of going on. Then we have a few home defense items for some bugs. So you can check this out, 2 for $14. Very good price on those. Then we even have some turf builders and other options right here for some lawn maintenance. So if you need some of these, definitely a great time to purchase some as well. Overall, there are some great deals going on right now at your local Lowe's. There are a lot of different tool deals going on, and then a lot of these great options here for different ones. When you buy the kit, then you get the tool for free. So if you're interested in getting started in some different brands, this is a great option, or even just to grab some of these tools and to get a new battery set as well. Definitely a great thing to go and check out for some Father's Day sales. But if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. Also, let me know what you plan on grabbing here at Lowe's for this Father's Day sale. But thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.